Come on, focus. Focus, you. Have a cicada killer digging her nest where she will lay cicadas. Or she'll kill them and she'll bring them down inside this little hive, and she'll lay her eggs either next to them or inside of them, one of the two, and when they hatch they'll eat the cicadas. Really cool. I wish I could get closer, but the camera won't focus. There it goes. It's pretty cool. She's a big one. They're about, I don't know, if you've never seen them, they're about, at least twice, if not 3 times the size of your average wasp. They're pretty big. They're bigger than cicadas. They're about the size of an adult cicada, if you can imagine how big that is. And I'll put my finger. Let's see. That's how big she is. That's my index. And they totally just go about their business. They don't really give a crap about you.